Check out how I cover these unsightly wall cords to transform this wall into a beautiful work of art. Yes, diva style. Stay tuned.
What do you do when you want to do it all?
Get unlimited.
J-League Unlimited.
So here I have 4 2x4s. I've measured my wall and I've cut each piece according to the size I needed. 2 3.5 foots and 2 4-footers. Now I've placed them together with the 2 smaller pieces on the top ends and the 2 longer pieces on the sides, making sure that the smaller pieces overlap the top of the longer pieces. This is going to be the back end of our frame. Now it's time to nail them together. Now we've nailed them together. One nail on top and 2 staples on the side to assure that they don't move away from each other. You've done this to all 4 corners. Making sure that each end is even with the other. Now it's time to measure out our shower curtain to see exactly where we want to have it placed. I got this shower curtain off of eBay for, I want to say, under $15, and they have plenty you can choose from. And yes, I did say shower curtain. So, as you can see, there are lots of lines in it from the folds, so we're going to go ahead and take the time to iron this out, being very careful not to burn the shower curtain. So as you can see, we've ironed out all of the wrinkles and the lines that were in the shower curtain. Now it's time to take the shower curtain and get it onto the frame. Using a staple gun, we're going to go ahead and staple this shower curtain onto our frame. Once you've gotten the shower curtain laid out exactly to where you want the picture to show, you're going to go ahead and get to stapling one side at a time, making sure to pull each side tighter as you go up along. When you're done, your picture should look just like this. Now it's time to cover up those unsightly wall cords. I decided to connect the cords to the wall by using zip ties and a staple gun. Once I've zip tied and then stapled the zip ties to the wall, this is what it looked like. Nice and flat against the wall, giving our picture a better chance to lay as close to the wall as possible without any bulky cords sticking through the frame. Once I was done, this is what it looked like. Beautiful. No cords showing, and it just transformed this wall to a beautiful work of art. I just love how this quick and easy DIY changes any room. It's so inexpensive, yet it's so beautiful and can go with any color. Amazon has plenty of different shower curtains. You can also find some in your local stores. Now, if you guys are wondering or needing more help with how to put this together, you can check out one of my other videos from my channel, DIY Wall Art. It goes more in depth on how to actually put this frame together. I will also leave a list of items in the description box below, so that if you guys want to try this great DIY out, you can do so yourselves as well. Thanks for watching, and as usual, if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button and get unlimited.